All right, so I think that this is maybe the most beautiful campground we have ever visited.
Make sure you watch this video until the end because we have an exciting giveaway and we're going to tell you how you can win a weekend here at Buttonwood Campground. We are traveling around the east coast of the United States,
Finding the best places to visit or vacation with your RV.
We are weekend warriors, and this is RV East Coast. This place is gorgeous. We're in Mifflin and Juniata counties, right in the middle, and it's just nestled in between hills and mountains and cornfields, and every view is breathtaking.
Yeah, this is Buttonwood Campground, and this place is not only gorgeous, it's family friendly, very family friendly. It's a beautiful location. Make sure you watch until the end of this video
because we are giving away a free weekend at this campground.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be amazing. But before we do that, we wanna show you around. We wanna tell you what we like about this place. So how do you like this place?
This place is really great. I think that the amenities they have here keep you entertained all weekend long, which is awesome when you have kids because you don't have to feel like you're gonna find something to do, leave the campground, keep your day busy. There's so many things for them to do here, and our kids really loved it here. So this place offers so much for both families, kids, adults, but let me tell you about some of the stuff that the kids can do all day. So there's a beautiful playground on both the main side of the campus and there's one on the other side. So if you get, your trailer over there, there's a small playground there as well. There's a bounce pillow, there's a gaga pit, there's horseshoes, more for the adults.
Laser tag.
There's laser tag, little go-karts that you can ride around.
Plenty of room to ride your bicycle around.
There's a small pool. There's a river. If you want to swim and splash around in the river, you can do that too.
Yeah, I think that one of the best attractions that they have here, you can go tubing down the
Juniata River.
And it is a lot of fun. You take a shuttle, they take you about a mile up the river, and then you hop in on your tube. You can actually, if you're a family, you can tie all your tubes together, and it's a very gentle flow. If you have a little cooler with your adult beverage or sodas and water for the kids, they give you an extra tube so you can put it in there.
So they have the tubes that you can either use or you can bring your own. And we saw other people with their kayaks and paddle boards and stuff. So.
Yeah, something that is good to mention is that it's unlimited. If you want to do the tubing on the river with your kids or by yourself, they'll be waiting for you at the campground, and you can just leave your tube, hop back in the bus, and then you can do it as many times as you want.
And I think they said that they do it 7 days a week, 9 to 5. So it's not limited to just the weekends if you're here during the week.
All right, let's talk about the next, maybe the most important thing.
Yeah, most important thing, the wine slushies.
Oh yeah. They have a winery on site, so you can buy your wine, but the wine slushies are
amazing. I think we spent, $50 on just drinking wine slushies?
Yeah, they're really amazing. They're sweet, they're refreshing, and yeah.
And when you're dealing with your kids, they are much needed.
Yeah, definitely. The Juniata Winery is also...
You still said it with an L. Juniata.
Juniata. Okay. Juniata.
There's no L.
Yeah. Okay. The Juniata, you say it, the Juniata.
So the Juniata Winery has a small booth here, which they sell the wine slushies and they sell wines. But they also have their winery and their venue, and the vineyard and the venue, about 12 minutes away. So we actually, on Friday night, we went there. Beautiful, beautiful venue. They had live music. They had, again, wine slushies. They had a vendor with food. So it was a lot of fun.
It was a lovely evening.
Yeah, nice. Bring your blanket or your lawn chairs, listen to the music, drink some wine, kids run around in the yard in the back. Like, it was a really wonderful time.
A few other things that we like here, the cable package is really good.
Always a plus.
Yeah, as you can tell, we are TV people. They have about 100 cable channels and about 75 music channels. So if you happen to be here and it rains, there's good entertainment on the TV. The views around here are really breathtaking. You can see the mountains right from your RV. In this case, our site, we are located behind us. You have this beautiful cornfield, but also what's in front of us, honey?
Well, we're fortunate to have the playground right in front of our trailer, which has been so nice because we have gotten to sit outside of our camper and while our kids play and have fun. So that has been a huge, huge bonus for us this trip.
I would say that besides the amazing amenities that they have here and the beauty of the place, maybe the best asset they have here is the service. The staff here is so, I don't know how they do it, but everybody seems to enjoy working here. Everybody is so attentive. The service here is amazing. Not only that, I remember when we checked in, I was coming out and someone was coming to help me with everything. And I say, oh, you don't have to do that. And another guest say, just get used to it. You cannot stop them. That's how they roll here.
Oh, we forgot to mention, they also have mini golf, which is really nice because it was a really nice course. It's not like some you go to and it's kind of run down. It was a really lovely course.
Yeah, we actually had a lot of fun doing the mini golf as a family.
Yeah. So besides the tubing down the river, and they do have a water war station where you can fill up water balloons and shoot them at each other. They do have a pool. It's on the small side. It's not their main attraction, I think, because of the river. But if you're like me and you don't swim in the river, you do like a bigger pool. There is probably a lot in the surrounding areas that we could visit. I mean, there was a big brochure that they gave us at the beginning of things and attractions. But again, this campground had it all. We just didn't really feel the need to venture off and spend more money.
Yeah. So let's talk about the giveaway.
So a couple steps if you want to be entered into that contest.
Yeah, so if you want to be the winner of one weekend here at Buttonwood Campground, this is what you have to do. Number one, you have to share this video on your Facebook account.
Public.
So we can see that you share, we can confirm that. Number two, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And number three,
leave us a comment telling us why you want to come to Buttonwood Campground.
Yeah. I didn't say it right the other time?
A lot of times his accent sounds like Bottomwood, but it's Buttonwood.
Okay, so make sure you leave the comment on YouTube, not here. Tell us why you want to come to Buttonwood. Did I say it right this time?
You're saying it right, you just have an accent.
I don't have an accent. What are you talking about? So yeah, let us know, and yeah, we are really, really excited about that. So my name is Eli.
And I am Fawn.
Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching our videos, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.